the UK-built Aeolus Sputnik has started shooting its laser treatment downward on land to map the Earth's winds. It is a big time for the Europe Area Agent mission statement. The technique for that took 16 years to evolve. Start up 2 weeks ago of the Kourou spaceport in France Guyana, Aeolus is now exposed 3 months of test. One day the is full, scientists will begin evaluating the Sputnik's breeze information for insertion in weather model. Its maps are anticipated to give considerable improved in the precision of middle-range forecasts, such how see a few days front. He's a euphoric sense and a pride time to achieve the landmark following overcome the at first engineering problem to construct, start and work the facility breeze LiDAR, told Dr. Mark Drinkwater, who heads ESA's Land and Mission Statement Scientific Department. Currently, which are perhaps several of Europe's largest patient scientists and weather services willingly expect to get above the wand. At the time, breeze information comes of repeated but inhomogeneous source, such as weather balloons. Aeolus will be the at first framework to collect breeze data all through the ball of the land up to 30 km in height. It will do the by shooting a strong UV laser treatment downward in the ambience. In the aid of a scope and a susceptible sensor, it will later see for the way the pulse shaft's lighting is dispersed behind off-air molecules, water supply splashes and powder suspended particles. This should show main detailed information on air motion, and numeric weather model will be regulated to get expense of it. Expert affirmed the laser treatments at first days of work show precise features of the breeze. While ESA at first adopted the Aeolus mission statement, it was mined the Sputnik would start in 2007. But engineering personnel struggled to get the UV laser treatment to job in the facility it would expertise in orbital, and down there were lot who mined the Sputnik would never flight. It took new designs and new technologies to do Aeolus occur. That explains why the laser treatments at first transactions in orbital has been welcome in such a pleasure. Yet quite rather than enterprising the foot to the metal of the start, we see large importance in operational for a time wherever we are currently, he told. We requirement to find out the tool. Advantage, the operative above the history 2 weeks include been really intense to say the low. All of how tool how we will work for a time love the, execute a large quantity of tests, calibrations and characterizations to superior attention the scope and usually to enhance the productivity.